Welcome to the Ultimate Beginner's Glossary. By the end of this video, you will understand 50 of the most common crypto terms. No jargon, no PhD required. Let's dive in. Cryptocurrency, digital money secured by cryptography and usually stored on a public ledger called a blockchain. Bitcoin, the first and largest cryptocurrency, often called digital gold because of its capped supply of 21 million coins. Blockchain, a chain of data blocks linked together so that past records can't be changed without everyone noticing. Decentralization, the idea that no single company or government controls the network. Thousands of computers share the job. Ledger, the master record of every crypto transaction. Blockchains are ledgers everyone can view. Altcoin, any cryptocurrency that isn't Bitcoin. Examples are Ethereum, Solana, and Dogecoin. Ethereum, the most popular altcoin. It introduced smart contracts that let code, not lawyers, enforce agreements. Smart contract, a self-executing program on the blockchain that runs exactly as written once conditions are met. Wallet, software or hardware that stores your public and private keys so you can send, receive, and track coins. Public key, the email address you share so people can send you crypto. Private key, the secret password that proves you own the coins. Lose it, and your funds are gone forever. Cold storage, keeping private keys offline so hackers can't reach them. Hardware wallet, a small USB-like device designed specifically for cold storage. Exchange, a marketplace where you trade one cryptocurrency or fiat money for another. Centralized exchange, CEX, an exchange run by a company that holds your coins like Coinbase or Binance. Decentralized exchange, DEX, a peer-to-peer marketplace powered by smart contracts. You keep control of your wallet. Stablecoin, a token whose value is pegged to something stable, such as the US dollar, to avoid wild price swings. Fiat, government-issued money like dollars, euros, or yen. Mining, using computer power to validate transactions on proof-of-work blockchains and earning new coins as a reward. Proof-of-work, POW, a consensus system where miners solve puzzles to secure the network. Reliable but energy-heavy. Proof-of-stake, POS, a greener alternative where validators lock up coins to win the right to add new blocks. Validator, a participant who stakes coins and validates blocks on a proof-of-stake network. Node, any computer that stores a full or partial copy of the blockchain and helps relay transactions. Gas fees, the payments you make to miners or validators so your transaction gets processed. Tokenomics, the economic design of a token's supply, distribution, and incentives. Market cap, the total value of a cryptocurrency. Price per coin multiplied by circulating supply. Liquidity, how easily a token can be bought or sold without moving the price too much. Liquidity pool, a pot of tokens locked in a DEX so traders can swap instantly. Yield farming, hopping between liquidity pools to earn the highest interest or token rewards. DeFi, decentralized finance, financial services, lending, borrowing, trading, built on smart contracts instead of banks. NFT, non-fungible token, a unique digital certificate of ownership, often used for art, collectibles, or game items. Meme coin, a cryptocurrency that started as a joke or viral theme. Dogecoin and Shiba Inu lead the pack. Fork, when developers or communities split a blockchain into two versions, creating a new coin. Airdrop, free tokens sent to wallets, usually to reward early users or spark buzz. ICO, initial coin offering, a fundraising event where a new project sells tokens before launching. IDO, initial DEX offering. Like an ICO, but tokens debut directly on a decentralized exchange. DAO, Decentralized Autonomous Organization, an online community that uses tokens to vote on budgets and decisions. Rug pull, a scam where developers drain liquidity or disappear with investors' funds. Whale, someone or some wallet that holds a massive amount of a cryptocurrency and can move the market. HODL, slang for hold, a misspelled meme that means keeping your coins long-term despite volatility. FOMO, fear of missing out, the urge to buy when prices surge. FUD, fear, uncertainty, doubt, negative rumors that spook investors into selling. On-chain, activities, data, and transactions recorded directly on a blockchain. Layer 1, the base blockchain, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum, where transactions are finalized. Layer 2, a secondary network that processes transactions faster and cheaper, then settles them on Layer 1. Cross-chain bridge, technology that lets you move tokens from one blockchain to another. Metaverse, persistent virtual worlds where users own assets like land or clothing as blockchain tokens. Web 3, the vision of an internet owned by its users, with blockchain wallets acting as universal logins. Slippage, the difference between the expected and actual execution price during a trade, often in low liquidity markets. Gas, the metered unit of computational effort on networks like Ethereum. Gas multiplied by gas price equals your fee. And there you have it, 50 crypto buzzwords decoded in plain English. If this crash course helped demystify the blockchain jungle, smash that like button, subscribe for more bite-sized crypto wisdom, and share it with a friend who still thinks Dogecoin is a brand of breakfast cereal. Until next time, keep your private keys safe and your curiosity wired in. And remember, nothing in this video is considered financial advice.